This is Josh, PHNIX Product Manager.
Nice to meet you.
This is Chris.
I'm sorry to say that it heats up the pool very slowly, it's very noisy, and it's very energy draining. It's impossible to pass by the heat pump, because it blows a very strong cold wind and it's killing me.
I firmly believe that there is only one way to create an excellent product, that is, listening to the user's voice. You will see that the problem has been solved bit by bit, and the situation has been changed step by step. With countless meetings, repeated deliberation and practice, our commitment makes it possible to realize the goodness on the suggestion board. We are never stingy with every step of progress. To provide the best experience for users is a consistent pursuit of PHNIX for its products. And this is our tacit agreement that will never change. This is a comprehensive upgrade of PHNIX inverter swimming pool heat pump product. i-ExpertLine Iron Series carries with innovations. We look forward to surprise.
The iron unit have a good performance and amazing structure.
More for future, more for you.